Today's video is a little bit different than my normal videos. I'm actually gonna be making cookies because I got this adorable rolling pin. How cute is this? So I've got a few of these that I've picked up. I've got a couple from this same maker, and then I've got this adorable Hagrid's one that I picked up online. So I found a recipe that I've never made before, so I'm gonna try that. I've already used the conditioner for, you know, cutting boards and rolling pins. So I'm gonna make some cookies, and I'm gonna make a super simple Easter decor project. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure you like and subscribe, and let's make some cookies. Okay, so I just mixed the butter and the powdered sugar. I'm just gonna add in an egg. I've rolled out half the dough. I floured my surface. I floured my rolling pin. So let's see how this goes. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Now it started to stick right here. So I needed a little more flour. So I like that one the best. So I am gonna re-roll it, and we're gonna do this one more time. Biscuit cutter. It's got the scallops on the one side, so I think I'm gonna do that. Look how cute! Oh my goodness, so cute. So these are going in the oven at 375 for, I believe it said 6 to 10 minutes. I know you can kind of see the embossing right there. Look how cute. Okay, so while the cookies are baking and they're almost done, I am going to work on a little display that I found. It's so cute. Check out this cute little display I found in the bullseye section. So cute, looks like a little market stand. So I grabbed some of my black chalk paste. Oh, there's the cookies. And then I grabbed the, let's see, what is this one called? This one is the Happy Easter Minis. So I'm actually going to use the Hello Spring one so that I can keep using it after Easter, but it's so cute. I'm gonna grab those cookies and then I'm gonna chalk this. Okay, change of plans. So when I put the mini on here, it just seemed kind of small, which would still look cute. But I'm gonna go back to this transfer that I just keep using over and over again. I'm gonna do this one on here. I think that'll look super cute. I was trying to find one of the other ones from my stash. Could not find it. So this one will work. And I'm literally just gonna do it all in black. We're gonna keep it super simple. And be careful of the copyright right here on the side. That is a silk screen. So I almost chopped that, so be careful. So I'm just gonna pull this off rather slow because I wanna make sure that all of the chalk paste got into this fabric. Because it's fabric, it's gonna soak in a bit more. So you might have to add a little bit, but oh my gosh, looks so cute. Like right there on that one needed a little bit more. These little letters right up here just need a little bit more love. And right there. Usually these smaller ones, the smaller images sometimes need a little bit more. Look how cute that is. I love it. So thoughts on using that rolling pin. So my cookies turned out super cute. I was really happy with that. It does take a little bit of practice. I was worried about this cookie recipe because I've never done it before. I was worried that the cookies were gonna spread, but they did not because you didn't have to chill the dough, and I was worried that they were gonna spread, but they did not. They turned out cute. Some have the imprint lighter than others. Which is expected. My only, I guess, complaint, which isn't really much of a complaint, is that there's little lines in the rolling pin where the image was cut out. And you can see that, especially in the bunny rabbits. And then I have my other rolling pins. You can see on my Hagrid's one, the inside is more smooth. And that would be Rudy. Other than that, it was a fun project. I loved creating this little stand. I hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like to see more videos, be sure to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.